Good morning everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great and welcome to this new video here on Pi Network. I haven't covered this video a lot. I mean, I covered it when it launched, and then when it was very bullish. I think I was away. So I did not see that, or at least I did not follow it closely. But now there's actually some bullish momentum coming in. There's quite a lot of volume for Pi as well, and I think quite a few of you are interested in that. So let me know if that's actually true. It's right now the number 11 crypto. Is that true? Yeah, yes it is. It has a market cap of $12.27 billion. But there's, I mean, it's definitely bullish. The thing is that, well, first of all, it's a pretty strange chart, as you can see right here. I mean, we were basically in some sort of a massive rally, then an accumulation, downtrend, and now we're trying to pick up some sort of an uptrend again. So it's quite difficult to find a structure here, and I also don't really see a clear structure. On the lower time frame, sure, lower time frames, this is obviously an uptrend, but 12-hour time frame, what would you make of this? I'm not certain. All right, does that matter that much? No, because we can observe and we can analyze microstructures, but still, it's very new. It's a bit of a weird coin. I mean, and that's also something you'll see in the volume. I mean, most of the volume coming in for Pi is coming from OKX, BitGet, Maxi, and K.io. Now, I'm just going to be completely honest. Usually when you see something like that, that's a bit of a red flag, or at least a bit of an indication of manipulation. Now, does that matter? No. I mean, the price of the coin still moves, and it's still predictable to a certain extent, but it is something you should know. All right. So therefore, we can have moves like these, where you have these massive short liquidations, but we can also have moves like these, where we have some massive long liquidations and some big spikes down. And I think ultimately, talking about Pi, this market cap is unsustainable. All right, it has a fully diluted valuation of $170 billion, which is ridiculous. I don't think it's worth that. All right, so at some point of time, I do expect this to fall. But short term, going to be completely honest, the main level I'm looking at right now is this level right here at 1.6. And we have been able to not only break above that, but also break above that with volume. I mean, the volume went up from 400 down here, 350 even, to almost $1 billion at the top. It is dropping down a bit right now, but that's not necessarily a problem. I mean, usually you need the volume to get the breakouts, and then the volume actually drops down a bit when the breakout has actually been completed. But that means, I mean, the strength of the breakouts, and just in general the volume and the strength that Pi seems to have, in my opinion, makes it most likely that we'll actually see some more bullish momentum. The main level to hold is this level at 1.6, 1.55, so we might retest that. But like I said, given the strength, at least we've seen so far, and I do want to stress again that you should be prepared for some sudden moves. Like, for example, we also had on Saturday and Sunday, we had some massive sales. But if that doesn't happen, if we don't see some blatant manipulation like that, I'd argue it's most likely we'll get that retest, and we'll actually get bullish continuation up to our next major liquidity zone right here at 1.95 and $2, which is also a psychological level. And then the question is as well, can we break above that? At this point of time, I would say no. Right? If I would actually want to believe, or if I actually want to say that we could actually break above that, I'd need to see it at the moment. Right? If we get there and the volume is above $1 billion, then we can break above that and rally up to the next target right here at 2.35. But that's asking a lot from a coin like this in these market circumstances. All right. So therefore, I'd say that yes, I think it's most likely we'll get there. But I do think from there we'll reject back down, and we'll try to form some sort of a range, some sort of an accumulation. But those are my thoughts. That's what I think you need to know on Pi for now. If you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.